Going. Alrighty. Goodness, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Kirsten Burns. I have some family on the call. I have my nephew as well as a cousin. And really what I'd like to do is just share something that I came across. And it was really interesting how we came across this opportunity. But before we get into it, I really just want to share a couple of thoughts with you. Now, we talk a lot about mindset. We talk about making sure you prepare yourself for success. And those are all fundamental. I don't know anyone that's been successful in this world that's had a negative attitude. Negative attitudes give you negative results. So, you can work on yourself, you can work on your mindset, you can really, instill a positive belief, all that good stuff. But eventually you're going to have to match that mindset with a skill set. And that skill set will enable you to, let's call it like it is, generate some revenues, income, some dollars, some money. Now, my business partners and we've been searching literally across the globe over the last year and a half. We're just looking at a lot of different stuff. We primarily, play in the crypto space, but just to give you a little bit of background, I've done, I don't want to not brag myself, I've done really well in the corporate world. I've also, had, some real estate ventures, done well in real estate. Also done some stuff in the entrepreneurial field, home-based businesses, you name it, I've dibbled and dabbed. I call myself a serial entrepreneur. And so a buddy of mine by the name of James Wiggins, he also goes by Mr. Boss I Quit. He has a huge following. He had got involved with crypto, and I watched what he was doing in the crypto space for some time. And literally we were neighbors at one time. So we both lived in the same community. He moved in one direction, I moved in the other, but I still was watching him do some things online. And I literally knocked on his door and said, hey, I'm seeing what you're doing in crypto. I know you're doing well. You have to show me. If you can mute your phone out, that'd be great. I watched what he was doing in the crypto space. So I said, hey, I see what you're doing. I know your track record of success.
It is on me.
You have to show me what's going on. So when we sat down, he showed me some things in the crypto space and it really caught my interest. So we literally started putting our heads together and looking at different opportunities, not just in the United States, but around the world. We went to Mexico a couple of times to meet with some owners of companies down there. We literally went to Southeast Asia, hit 3 countries in Southeast Asia. We landed in Singapore, went to Malaysia, then Thailand, met with the owner of a company over there. And we were really just vetting these companies because in our journeys throughout, our ventures on this planet, we had seen some stuff that was legit. We seen some stuff that was pretty, let's call it like it is, pretty scammy. We didn't want to get involved with something that we couldn't feel comfortable bringing our friends and families to. But we were looking for something that had long-term potential. We were looking for something that really had some legs, but what we were really interested in looking for and finding was something that would enable us to build something, but also give people a skill set with a product-based company that allow them to learn how to generate income truly from their homes if they choose to, or their laptops. I love the idea of being able to pop open my laptop, spend a couple minutes, generate some income, and go about my day. So that's truly, when you're be able to generate money from your laptop or your cell phone, that's when you really know that you're able to be free. And financially free is one of those things that always intrigued me. I've always had this concept that, one of my early websites, and unfortunately I let somebody else steal this domain name, but it was called Money Plus Time. And the whole idea behind Money Plus Time was, it's nice to have money. And you see this with people that make a lot of money. Most of the times they don't have time to enjoy it. And on the flip side of that coin, if you have a lot of time in your hands, you usually don't have a lot of money because, you got all this idle time. So I've been always interested in merging those two, money plus time. So this opportunity I'm going to share with you, truly, if you understand the concept and the ability to use technology, you're truly in a place to generate money, but also free yourself up to enjoy that money that you're generating. So truly get your money plus time going on. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and get into the meat of the presentation. Like I said, this is really relaxed. We have family and friends on here, so there's no dumb questions. If you have a question, if you say, hey, Kirsten, can you explain this, a little bit more to me? I have no problem doing that. So, feel free to interject, feel free to ask questions. And I really want to keep this, really low key and, make sure everyone gets a good understanding of what we're doing here. So give me just 1 second while I share my screen. Can you guys see that okay? If you can see the screen, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you, nephew. Okay, the name of the company is BFX Standard. We actually have a physical location. We do primarily our business online. We are a tech company, but we do have a physical location, a beautiful office in El Segundo that we just opened within the last few weeks. Now, the B stands for blockchain, and the FX stands for Forex. So literally, we are merging two of the most lucrative markets out there. The blockchain, some people, when they see blockchain, they think immediately of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So we're in that space. Now, the Forex market, for those of you that know Forex, that is just the currency market. It is one of the most lucrative markets, period, in out there for you. If you've been trading before, you may have heard of the New York Stock Exchange. You may have heard about the Forex market. Now, the way we came across this company was a very, very interesting, situation. The gentleman that started this company, the gentleman behind this company, we got a bunch of people hopping on, so I'm going to let them in. The people behind this company had been very, very successful in the crypto space and literally was looking for a way to introduce cryptocurrency as well as
everything.
If you're speaking right now, can you do me a huge favor and mute your line out? Appreciate it. So they were looking for a way to introduce cryptocurrency in the Forex market to the masses. So like I said, me and my partner and the leadership team here, we literally scoured the earth looking at different opportunities. And it was kind of ironic that we came across a company that was based not only in the United States, but right here in Southern California. So the gentleman that started this company had done extremely well in the crypto space. And I say extremely well, he had made hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin. Back when people thought this was funny money, wasn't real money, he took advantage of this emerging technology and got involved and amassed a small fortune, in Bitcoin. And he said, you know what? I want to share this opportunity with the masses. Now, I'm not going to preach too much to you guys today, but I truly believe that we have a very unique opportunity and time right now to get involved with this technology. And there's going to be a lot of wealth that's going to be created. And unfortunately, those that do not take advantage of the timing of what's going on as technology evolves, the gap between the haves and the have-not is going to be much greater. So, listen to what I have to say. This is not for everybody. I get that. But I promise you that if you see something and if you attach your horse to our wagon, we're going to move on places. So a couple of things that we looked for in a company was, one, is there some solid technology? Is there a solid product behind it? Two, is there a leadership team in place that can direct this ship in the right direction? And then the third thing is the financing in place? So when we sat down with these individuals behind this company, all that was in place. I'm going to share the technology with you, but the cool thing is, even though this is a startup company, no one's looking to raise money. They've literally spent millions of dollars on our app. The app is already up and running. It's in the Apple as well as the Android app store, so you can get the app right now. Also, in regards to financing, these guys are on a solid footing. And, the thing from a leadership team, I always tell people, if you look at the leadership of an organization, whether it's a sports organization, a corporate organization, the leadership usually is a good indication of where the company's going to go. So the company's name is BFX Standard. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is our disclaimer. I'm not going to read that to you. Pretty much the disclaimer is telling you that BFX Standard is not a broker, trader, or handler of securities. What this really means is that they're not going to ask you to send them money for them to trade on your behalf. You're going to be in control of all your money. You're going to get an education. You're going to get an education in the cryptocurrency market as well as in the Forex market. So take a quick second to read that, and we're going to go ahead and move on with the presentation. All right, here's the executive team. We are on my far left, and maybe you're right, and on the presentations coming across your screen, we have Justin Johnson, who has a background as an attorney. He is the Chief Financial Officer. We have Mr. Courtney Logan, who is the Chief Operations Officer. He's also an attorney. He was on his way to be a judge when he found the Forex market and fell in love with the Forex market. He became so passionate as well as successful in the Forex market that he decided to forego his legal career, not become a judge, but he became really passionate about teaching people the power of the Forex market and how to create financial freedom using the Forex market as well as technology. In the center, we have Mr. Dave Wilkes. Some of you may recognize him. He played at a little bitty school in Southern California called USC on a basketball scholarship. After his basketball career, he went into the corporate world, specialized in the tech space, was very, very successful, hit his financial number and retired. But instead of going out and just sitting on the beaches of the world, sipping drinks out of a coconut, he decided he wanted to give back and create a company that would empower people through technology as well as Forex and cryptocurrency. So the legal counsel, we wanted to make sure that the company was going to be here, not just today, tomorrow, next year, but for years to come. If we go out and build this thing, because we're in right now, right in the middle smack of our global expansion, we wanted to make sure that we built this thing, that we would have an opportunity, not just for, like I said, not just this year, next year, but for years to come. Actually, I'm looking at this company as one of those companies that if you build it properly, you can literally pass this on to your children. So the legal counsel that we secured was Armstrong Teasdale. You may not know them, but they're a very huge law firm. They represent 125 of the Fortune 500 companies. We secured them to make sure that we crossed all of our T's and dotted all of our I's from a legal standpoint, make sure the company was in good standing going forward. All right, this is our internal legal counsel. You have Matt Ketza, he is the SEC and CFTC regulatory attorney. You have Peter Hetrapetrol, he's a blockchain attorney and specialist. And from the FTC and litigation side, we have Mr. Graydon Jackson. All righty, so let's talk about the education. What are we learning here? We're learning how to navigate the Forex market. We learn the skills of Forex trading with our proven methodology. Now, the cool thing is, our Forex, the RFX Academy is not something that's new. This academy has been time tested and proven. If you were to go out and look up the RFX Academy, you'd realize that the academy, just to get this education on the Forex side only, you would pay upwards of $500 a month. Courtney Logan has been running this academy for some time now, and he joined forces recently with BFX, came on board as a COO. He loved what we were doing here. And as you see, just with that standalone product, there's a steep discount for our BFX members, and I'll share that with you. But if you were to go and join the RFX Academy on its own, you'd be paying upwards of $500 per month. Now, what do you get? You get an A to Z Forex curriculum and education. It's an interactive educational platform. So what does that mean? It means you can learn at your own pace. We have a couple of different ways that we teach. We have live classes that you can take online, and we also have recorded classes that allow you to go at your own pace. Like I mentioned, these proven trading strategies, we're not testing, we're not using people as guinea pigs. Our strategies have been tested and time tested to show results. One of the most important things is we allow you to gain consistency with our proven RFX trading methodology. The cool thing that I like to tell people is, don't worry whether you've been involved with the Forex market or you don't even know what the Forex market is all about. We have an educational model that's good for the beginner all the way through the advanced trainers who are able to get some value from our trading education. On the cryptocurrency side, once again, you're going to learn a new skill set that's going to teach you how to navigate through the cryptocurrency market. That's headed up by Tiala Kidd. She's a certified NFT expert. Don't worry if you don't know about NFTs and cryptocurrency. That's what this education is all about. This is an emerging technology. A lot of people still think that cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, is one of these new things that may not last. But let's be big boys and adults. Bitcoin's been around since 2009. It's been time tested. Bitcoin is not on trial. There's a lot of people that still look at it as this new thing. But I'm going to be honest with you, there's a lot of people that got involved and made millions and millions of dollars because they were early adopters. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. I believe, and I don't believe, I know just based on the technology that's emerging, Bitcoin is like the foundation of all cryptocurrency. So you definitely want to take advantage of it and learn how you can position yourself for the next, next big run that's coming up. But more importantly, it's going to be one of those things that's here. It's not, no longer is it, one of those questionable things that is it going to last? No, it's already been around for a decade and it's made money. Now, yes, it's very volatile. It's at highs in the 60,000s. And, I don't know if we're ever going to see lows under, 15,000 again. We might, I'm not Nostradamus. I can't predict the future. What I can tell you is that it's going to be around. And it's really, I'm going to go ahead and share some things why I can say that with such certainty. The way Bitcoin is designed, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins minted. So what that means is a scarcity factor built into that technology. There will only be about 18 million ever minted, actually mined, because there's about 3 million that have already been lost. So you're going to continue to see, as those Bitcoins are mined, the price go up and up and up. And I predict that 5-10 years from now, we're not going to even be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about Satoshis, which are a percentage of a Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, the price may be so astronomically high that you won't be able to afford an entire Bitcoin. So we'll be talking about trading in Satoshis. So what does this crypto trading education get you? One, you'll be able to apply the script methodology to maximize your crypto gains. You're going to get a structured education. You're going to learn how to secure and how to protect your crypto investments. You're going to learn the unique dynamics of the crypto space. And once again, whether you are a beginner, totally naive to crypto, don't even know how to spell crypto, we have a place for you. Or if you're an advanced person that's been involved with this space, we do have something of value for you as well. We have live trading. You literally can look over the shoulders of Ryan DeFrantis and Max B as they navigate in and out of the Forex market. So imagine being able to, from the comfort of your home, right on your laptop or your phone, watch live traders successfully navigate the Forex market. So as you're learning, you're not going to be like just sent out into the wilderness by yourself. You're going to be able to lean on our experts and watch how they trade the market. So you're also going to be doing these live sessions. You're going to get market analysis, live market Q&A, market overview, strategy implementation, as well as session education. You're gonna be able to do the same thing on the crypto side. We have live training. You can learn how to navigate the cryptocurrency market in real time. That's headed up by Jay Joshua. He's a certified crypto trader. If you've been in the crypto space, the crypto trading space specifically, you may have heard of him. This gentleman has literally traded millions of dollars successfully in and out of the crypto space. You're gonna get live market Q&A on that side as well. You're gonna get crypto trading ideas, weekly crypto outlooks, real-time coin analysis, and strategy implementation. Now, this is where it all comes together. When we talk about our ESI, which is our easy, smart interface, what this allows you to do, it allows individuals to see all the information about their exchange accounts. It's going to allow you to see your overall portfolio balances. It's going to see your current assets owned. You're going to be able to see your current opened as well as your closed trades. You're going to get custom analytics. You're going to get security via API keys. Now, usually when I say that, hands get raised and they say, Kirsten, what the heck do you mean about security via API keys? You just spoke a weird language. Okay, so what does that mean? What that means in layman's terms is that your account, your trading account, is your account. We're not asking you to send anybody out. Your account stays secure. You're never going to be asked to send money to a trader who's maybe across the globe trading on your behalf, and you hope that he's going to give you returns. Those API keys allows your trading account to connect to our proprietary technology, and now it's going to be able to trade on your behalf, but the money stays in your trading account. I use a trading account called Binance, and so I can watch that trade take place in my account. It's so cool. Even if I'm in a trade, I can still have control and pull out of that trade right in the middle of the trade because it is my account. You also need to manage your open position. Some of the things that are coming down the pipe, you're going to have long and short algorithm signals. You're going to be able to analyze your own trading strategy. You're going to be able to rebalance your account. You're going to be adding more exchanges. So some people don't like Binance. Some people don't like Prevail. There's other trading exchanges out there. We're going to be adding those to our BFX platform in the near future. All right. SmartFi is another pillar of our educational platform right in our app. What this is right here, it allows you to buy, sell, trade, and convert crypto all from your phone or from your desktop, however you choose to access it. They say it's the smartest portal in the world. One of the things that I really appreciate, and I wish I'd have known about this sooner, is that it allows you to collateralize your crypto. Now I'm going to slow down really quickly and explain what that means. A lot of us have been taught, in the crypto world, is that we want to buy low and then sell high. But here's the thing, since crypto, especially Bitcoin, is an emerging technology, that thing keeps going up. Now it's very volatile. Right now, last time I checked, it's trading in the mid 20,000 range. But I remember when it was under 1,000, and I also remember when it was at 60,000. So, I know some people that bought when it was under 1,000, and when it got to 45,000 or 35,000, they said, you know what, we, really done well. We're going to go ahead and sell our Bitcoin and realize some profits. And that thing kept on going, went from 35,000 to 40,000, 45,000, all up to 60,000. So yeah, they made some money, but they also probably had a little bit of seller's remorse. They left a lot of money on the table when it hit 60,000. So what this allowed you to do, literally, you can take a loan against your crypto. So you have the liquidity in that loan to do what you please. And when you pay that loan back, guess what? You get your crypto back. So you never, ever lose true control of your crypto, and you can realize the long-term profitability of that crypto. This is currently, if you're speaking right now, will you do me a huge favor? Can you mute yourself out, please? Thank you. This is currently available in 113 countries. You can buy crypto with your bank account. You convert your crypto to fiat. If you're not sure what fiat means, that just means hard cash. Once again, if you're talking, can you please mute out, please? Unless you have a question. If you have a question, feel free to ask.
Did you get your mail? Yeah, get. Why you letting my? Why you
All right. I think I found the person that had their line unmuted. Now, all the things that I'm showing you right now in our platform are created automatically. They come all with our membership, and they're automatically created in your back office for you. All righty. Now, this is the thing that I got most excited about when I sat down with the leadership team here and the owners of the company, is that this is all done in the state-of-the-art mobile app. And it's not just an app, it's truly an entire communication and management system. So literally from your palm of your hand in your phone, you can get, you can do the trading, you get the trading education, you get trade ideas, you can look at your commissions in your phone, you also can monitor your progress. And it also has a complete customer relation management tool. So imagine being able to download all your contacts and from the app, be able to share information, updates, the latest and greatest is about BFX, all from inside our app in your phone. So once again, you get the latest news in crypto, Forex, and the financial markets. Now, the one thing that blew me away about this technology is the smart trade swipe. What is that? Here it is. So if you've been involved with trading, whether it's the Forex market, the New York Stock Exchange, people, they have these programs that give you signals where you can literally follow, traders with how they navigate in and out of the market. And so you usually get the signal, and then you'd have to take that signal and then put it into your trading app or application or your account. And so just imagine if you got this hot trade signal, but you were stuck somewhere where you didn't have access to the internet or you couldn't get to your computer. You missed out on that trade. With this smart trade swipe, what literally happens, you get a notification from the app on your phone, and literally with the swipe of your finger, you're now in that trade. So it's really, really cool. You just swipe, boom, you're in that trade and in a position to take advantage of that trade. All right, let's review the entire product lineup. First off, you have the RFX Real Academy, where you're going to learn Forex and learn the Forex market, how to navigate that market. You're also going to have the cryptocurrency market headed up by Jay Joshua and Tiala Kidd. You have the Smart app where everything takes place. Like I said, receive trade ideas, prompts for Forex and crypto, as well as your entire customer relationship management tool. You're going to have access to UniCrypt. This is all set up for you. UniCrypt is a Swiss crypto wallet with some of the lowest trading fees that I've ever seen, right around 1%. It's the first and only European ML compliant, fully audited core banking system. This is automatically set up for you in your back office when you get your BFX membership. You're going to get CoinZoom, which is a US-based regulated crypto exchange. It's registered with FinCEN with FDI insurance for US users with its own crypto debit card. A lot of people that are new to crypto, they always ask things like, well, I made this crypto or I have this crypto, how can I spend it? And so that's real simple with this debit card. It has a Visa logo on it. Wherever they take Visa, you can use this crypto debit card. So now your crypto is electronically converted to fiat. You can go into a store, you see some shoes or a nice dress or something that you want to buy with your CoinZoom card. You just swipe the card like you would any other card. Boom, the purchase is made. You also get SmartBuy, which allows you to leverage your crypto. Remember that, you know, the buy low and sell high model. Now we can take advantage of the long run of crypto by leveraging it through loaning out our crypto, paying back that loan, and once again, getting our crypto back. This is all done in our easy smart face interface. Once again, that allows you to monitor everything that's going on. Now, the one thing that I want to take a minute and really talk about is our algorithm. So you see, you know, in the product line, you see number 8, it says license to buy and sell BFX algorithm trader program. What is that? Now, I know a lot of people that are really, really interested in getting a new skill set. They want to learn how to trade the Forex market. They want to learn how to trade the crypto market. You know, and then some people are like, hey, you know, I'd love to learn, and that's great. Some people are like, you know what? I really don't have time to learn the market, but I still want to take advantage of that market. What do you have for me? So the algorithm literally links up to your trading account. I have mine linked to Binance, and this thing is trading on your behalf, hands-free. Once you link it up, I literally say it's a set it and forget it trading algorithm. It's all designed to beat the buy and hold model where, you know, traditionally we buy low and then sell high. This constantly looks for opportunities to enter the Bitcoin market as the market is fluctuating. It looks for opportunities to enter low, then sell high. And this thing has been killing it. I'm looking at my own personal account. I started with a little bit, special case hopping on. I started with a little bit over $4,800 back in November. That account is now trading at right under $7,000, all due to the algorithm finding unique opportunities in the Bitcoin market to enter low, sell high. So it's constantly looking for opportunities to get into the market, get out of the market at a profit. So this is truly one of those things that if you just want something that's going to trade on your behalf while you're learning, while you're getting all this education about the Forex market or the crypto market, this thing is going to work for you. Now, you're probably saying at this point, what is this going to cost me? This is an old slide. I need to change it up. So you see where it says now, join now for only $150, then $60 a month after that. After this has been updated. So right now we are running a promo. I did mention earlier that if you were just to go out and get the RFX Academy, that standalone Forex trading program on its own, it would cost you upwards of $500 a month. Right now, we're waiving that $150. We have changed the price. So it used to be $60. Since we waived the $150, now the monthly fee is $99. It's $100, roughly $100 a month to get all the education. Now, one of the things that I do tell people is that, hey, some people say, you know what, that's a steal, but also some people are looking for an opportunity. They're like, hey, I want to see if I can get my education for free. There is an option. I'm going to go ahead and change slides really quickly. Does anyone have are there any questions at this point? You can either hit the chat or you can come off mute, and I'd be more than glad to answer any questions while I'm getting this next slide up for you.
Hello, can you hear me? My name is Jamie.
Hi, Jamie, how are you?
Hi,
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. Now my babies are barking. I'm
That's okay.
sorry.
What kind of babies you got? You got some fur babies?
I got some fur babies, yes. It's been taking me about 30 minutes to even log on. But I just
Okay.
wanted to know that I'm on my cell phone right now. I
Yes.
would like to get on my laptop. So
Okay.
can you, whatever you're gonna say, would it be appropriate for you if you have time, if you can repeat everything that you're saying until I can get on my,
So I don't want to say it's going to be appropriate. I definitely want to say it's going to be inappropriate for me to repeat everything. But what I did do, I did record this. So whoever invited you, I will provide the link so you can watch it at your leisure.
oh, okay.
And yeah, so you can watch from the beginning at your leisure. But if you have a specific question, I can handle that right now. But I just for the for the sake of time, I don't think it'd be appropriate to go back to the beginning and start all over. I was talking a lot.
Sir, I apologize. That's why
Don't worry.
was asking. But if you can just stay on a few minutes longer, so I could. Mom said nice. So if you can stay on a few minutes longer, so I can figure out how to look at the Zoom that you already presented.
Okay. What happens after you finish the Zoom, it takes a little bit of time for Zoom to process the recording, and then they provide me a link. So what I'm going to do, who invited you to the call?
My cousin Kermit Burns.
Oh, yeah. If your cousin's Kermit, then you're my cousin too, because I'm Kermit's uncle. Kermit's brother is my big brother. So hi, fam.
Yeah, that's my mom. Yeah, we all family here. We got a bunch of families. So that's my mom's side.
That's the mom's side. Well, hey,
Yeah,
me and your grandmother go way back. She treated me like a son. So that's hey, family's family.
Well, hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, and thank you, Kermit.
Thank you.
I'll
We'll
definitely
get
make
everything for you.
sure-
I'll give you a call and we'll get that settled up for you, Jamie. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll make sure nephew gets you that link once it processes. So as I
Thank
was
you. I
mentioning, some
appreciate
people
you, sir.
realize, was that?
I'm sorry, mommy said nice.
Oh,
She said thank you.
Don't spank. You're more than welcome. Okay,
Oh, no, I was
so as
clapping.
I
I didn't
mentioned,
spank them.
okay, be nice to those doggies. As I mentioned, we do have a way for people that are excited and like to share this education. One of my missions is to make sure that we educate as many people as possible. So yeah, even though I believe that at $99, our platform is literally, I can't say it's a steal, but it's almost like stealing it, especially since you know that you can get the RFX Academy by itself is over $500 a month. So, but hey, maybe you want, you're like, you know what? I love free. If you're like me, I love free as well. I know we have people on the line that are currently getting their education for free. The way that works is if you share this with 3 people and they say, hey, you know what? I want to learn about the cryptocurrency market. I want to learn about Forex, and they get started just as purely as a customer or as a BFX associate, they can get their education for free as well. So you share it with 3 people, they get their education. Yours is now free.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go much further. There is more money on the table. I really just wanted to just dig down and share the product, because I believe our product is really a standalone. The education itself speaks for itself. So if there's any questions right now, we can open it up. We can chit chat about what I've shared. If not, we can go ahead and wrap this call, and I'll get that link processed and get it out to the people that invited you on this call tonight. But I'd love to answer a question or two if there's some questions out there.
Well, thank you, Unc. I'm done. I'll talk to Kermit. Thank you.
You got it.
Thank you, Jamie. Thanks for coming on. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you so much, Kermit. I'm so sorry. I was trying.
No, hey,
You
things
made
happen.
it. You made it. I appreciate you. We'll get you all the information soon, tonight or tomorrow for sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Love Bug.
Mhm.
So before we wrap up the call, I know we have quite a few people on the call that have had experience with our academy as well as our system. If anyone would like to jump out and just share their experience with BFX, we have a minute or two that we can do that. If not, we can go ahead and wrap this call up. And, like I mentioned, we're also here to answer some questions if you have any. Let me see. I see someone in the chat. Thank you, Special K. I really appreciate that. Any questions? If not, what I'm going to do, we're going to wrap this call up. Thank you for joining us. What I suggest you do is get back to the person that invited you. We are in the process of really expanding, and not just in California, not just in the United States, we are going worldwide. I really believe that the masses need this education. One of my missions and goals is to make sure that no one is left behind, that anyone that truly wants to get educated on how to take advantage of the cryptocurrency market, how to take advantage of the Forex market, has the opportunity to get involved. That's why I'm so excited that the price is not $1,000 a month. I've seen courses that are $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month. I've seen even as high as $25,000 just for a weekend course on Forex. This really allows the masses to get this education and put themselves in a position to win for themselves and their families. So if we don't have any more questions, I want to thank you for hopping on. Thank you for your time. And whoever invited you, they are connected with me. They know how to get in contact with me. So if you're too shy to ask your questions in front of people, go ahead and say, hey, let's get Kirsten on the phone and get your questions answered. So with that being said, I wish you all a good night. Be blessed, and I will see you guys all on the beaches of the world. Take care, everyone. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Reach out. Feel free to reach out to me.